Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaurix Lab. Today I am going to show you something amazing. A fully functional Flipkart clone. Yes, you heard it right. This product has the all features of real e-commerce website, from product listing to a shopping cart and secure checkout. And guess what? I will also share some unique features that make my clone even better. So stay with me till end. Let's dive in and see how it's work. So first thing is, what is the project about? This project is inspired by the Flipkart e-commerce website built on using PHP for the front end and PHP for the backend and MySQL as a database. The project is fully responsive, meaning it works smoothly on both mobile and desktop. Here is the homepage where users can browse products, search for item and add them to their cart. And if you are interested in full stack project, so you can visit my channel. There I have already created lots of video on full stack project like hospital management system, a student information management system, a student result management system, and a real-time chatting application. You can say WhatsApp clone, etc. So visit my channel. Now let's take a look at the cool features I have added. User authentication, like login and sign up, product listing and search, cart and checkout system, and the admin panel. These are the features of that e-commerce Flipkart clone, in which you can see there the UI. Here it is suggesting some laptop and mobile. There is the category wise. There is the search bar. There is the Flipkart logo. Here you can see the cart, wishlist, admin. Yes, I logged in as admin. There is the admin dashboard. Before that, I'm going to show you something. The admin dashboard. So here you can go in the my profile. Here you can see the admin profile where you can edit your details, your passwords. You can see the orders and the wish list. And there is the wish list cart. And this is the main from the admin side. This is the admin dashboard. Now here you can see this is the admin panel where we can manage the products, category, and the users and orders. So you can see there is the option to add new product, add new category, manage product, manage category, manage users, and manage orders. There is the total product for total orders here, total users one, total revenue showing. There is the recent orders showing there. If the NA stock will be low, then it will show here. This is the footer, new product function. So click on the new product function. There is the product name in which you can put the product name. I'm putting the Redmi, like the category. So I'm putting the laptop. There is a description. You can put the description about this price. Here is the stock. So I'm putting 20 stock. Choose the image of that. So add the product. Add product. Here you can see it has been added successfully. Here you can see that it is showing the notification product added successfully. If you want to see that, you can go on the home page. There you can see that clearly it has been added here. It is the category laptop. The price is 90,000 and it is working. So it has been added in the admin side. So I'm going to show you the another side, user side. So you can see how the newly added product is showing here. Redmi, this is the laptop. The price is 90,000. Here you can see add to wish list. If you will add here, it will show in the wish list the same product. You can see add to. It has been removed from the wish list. Even you can add into the cart. So it is showing that item added to cart successfully. So go on the cart. Here you can see the same product. Here you can increase the quantity also. Here is option to delete. Here is the clear chart. If you will click on that, all product will be removed from here. So now click on the proceed to checkout. This one it is asking the shipping address in that full name, the phone number, the address, the city, the state, the pin code, and then the payment mode is cash on delivery. Even you can add there more options, but for now it is cash on. If I will click on the place order, the proper confirmation, the order confirmation message is showing here. When I'm about to show one more thing, there is the order status. You can see it is showing pending here. If I will go in yes, In that you can see minus order. Here you can see it is showing. Here we can minus the order. You can see the price here it is showing pending. That's why it is showing here in the user side pending. So if I will click on the processing here, so in the user side it will show. Now it is showing the pending. If I will replace it, it will show the processing. So now let's change in the delivered. So it will show, now it is showing the processing. If I will refresh it, it will show delivered. And at the last there is the option cancelled. So it will show the cancelled also here. You can see here it is showing the cancelled. So now here you can see to view option, it will show the details. Now visit the manage product. So manage product, here you can see it is showing the ID, images, the name, here you can see the stocks, in a stocks or out of a stock. Here you can add the new product also. If you will click on it, it will edit. Also here is the option to edit. Even there is the option to delete also. If you will click on it, it will delete. There is the option to filter that. If I will click on the laptop, it will show on the laptops only. Here you can see the laptops categories, status active and all. Here it will show the all active. Now visit the manage product. So manage product, here you can see it is showing the ID, images, the name, here you can see the stocks, in a stocks or out of a stock. Here you can add the new product also. If you will click on it, it will edit. Also here is the option to edit. Even there is the option to delete also. If you will click on it, it will delete. There is the option to filter that. If I will click on the laptop, it will show on the laptops only. Here you can see the laptops categories, status active and all. Here it will show the all active. Discuss about the minus category. So there you can see the minus category. Here is the option, the filter option. Here you can see it is showing the categories, all category which is already have shown in the user side. There you can see keyboard, laptop, mobile, power bank, and a smartwatch. There is the category. There is the line description with dented. There is the product, how many products are there. There is the total value. It is showing. There is option to edit and delete also. Here you can edit also. There you can see if I will add anything randomly, it will show in the description also. So this is the filter wise. If I will search with the hub, and it will show the keyboard. You can see here. So it is working perfectly. Even you can add the categories also, where I'm showing you mouse. So even you can see here the mouse section has been added here, and even you can see that the end user side also. Here you can see mouse section, it is come here. Yes. Now let's discuss about the manage users. Here you can see the option manage users. In that there is the users which are alive. Here is the two option. I have logged in as admin. Here you can see admin, and another one is MKY, which is I have logged in as a user MKY. So it is showing there. There is the role options are user admin. So the admin is administrate as the admin, and the user, there is the option you can activate or deactivate that also. How many orders he placed, then he joined. When you can see the full details here also, the pop-up. And you can search by features also, like MKY. I'm searching that. You can see here it is showing the single one. So reset that. This is the manage users. Now let's talk about the manage orders. So here you can see there is the option to manage orders. You can see how many orders placed by the MKY. Here you can see the details also. Here you can edit the details, the date and time when he joined. And this is the filter option. You can filter it. Process to order a product. This thing I'm choosing this the Realme phone. So even you can add to wish list also. Here you can see the product added to the wish list successfully, and you can see from here by clicking it is showing. By going back here, even you can remove from the wish list also. Here you can see product removed from the wish list successfully. So to order a product, just click on add to cart. Here you can see that showing pop-up item added to the cart successfully. As you see in the go on the cart, there you can see the Realme 15,000 quantity one. There is the option to delete and clear all. If you will click on the proceed to checkout, here you will come in the shipping address section, where you have to fill the name, the mobile number, the address, and the city, then the state, and then the pin code. After that, you have to choose the payment method. There I have chosen the cash on delivery. There is the single option. Even you can add the other options also. So now here you can, in the side, you can see how many products are there. So single products is there, and the billing section you can see here all. Now here you can place the order. If you will click on the place order, it will show the order details, order ID, total items, subtotal, order date, payment mode method, order status. The all things it will show here. If you will continue shopping, it will redirect on the home page, and if you will click on the view all orders, it will show the orders. There you can see. If you will click on the view details, it will show the details of each and every product which you have ordered before or now. Here you can see. So that is how I built my Flipkart clone What do you think? Do you have any features idea I should add? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your developer friends. More awesome projects coming soon. See you in the next one. Keep coding, keep learning.